Hello, welcome once more. It's your man from Missouri. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, you are welcome once more. In this channel, we get you informed on how to make money online. Whether you have skill or not, we teach you how to make money from the internet with ease. We have several videos for you to make money from the internet with. That this video talks about how to earn money using Twitter 2022. This one talks about how to earn $700 per day just listening to music in 2022. Very simple ways to make money online. But today I want to talk about how you can get traffic, free organic traffic to your Twitter account, free of charge. You're not going to pay anything. How you can promote your Fiverr account using Pinterest. Are you still there? Let's get started. So in this video, I want to talk about how you can get Pinterest giving you free traffic to your Twitter account, to your Twitter gigs. Yeah, so get seated, get your pen, and stay focused. Now, we are going to learn how you can get good images for your Pinterest. You're going to learn how you can get good tags, and you're going to see how you can track your clicks so that you know whether you are really going forward or not. So right now, we're going to go to our Fiverr account. Imagine you have this Fiverr account as yours. Let's say this account is I will write your movie script, screenplay, or short film. I want to drive traffic to this account, to this gig right now. So what I want to do right now is maybe to go to a place called bit.ly.com. Go to this website called bit.ly.com. Yeah, this website. In this website, you can see create here. Click on create. Let's click create. Now you see enter your log URL. So let me go to my Fiverr account. You see this place, come to this place called share your gig. Click on share your gig. Now you can see copy link here. Click on the copy link. Then go to the bit.ly website again. There is your URL there. Then you click on create. When you click create, it's going to shorten the URL for you. Now you can see the URL right now. You can just say copy, or let's go down and click save. Copy. Then you can see save here. Now look at this URL, ACO. You're going to see it here right now. Let's close here. Look at it here. ACO. You can see it here. So this is a shortened link for our new gig. You can see the time, everything is here right now. So what I'm going to do right now, we're going to use this link later to track our clicks to this link, to this our gig, whether people are really clicking on it or not. And it will make our URL to be shortened too. It makes it makes more sense when our URL is shortened too. So the next one I want to go to right now is to get image, good image for our Pinterest account. The website I'm going to go to right now is called canva.com. Go to canva.com, and if you are there, go to this part where you can see search. Click on search and look for what? Pinterest. If you don't see, you can just type it out. You're going to see Pinterest pin. Click on it and it will take you to this spot where you can do your editing. Now you are already in this Pinterest. So when you are there, come to this spot here. You're going to see other images here that are going to give you the Pinterest size. You have the paid one. Look at the PR here, paid. We have free. We have free here. So look for the one you can easily edit. That not take your time. Like in this case now, I show this one, which is very simple. I click on it and you see it here. Look at it here. If you see it here, it says how to reach your full potential. How to reach your full potential. But here I've already edited it. If you want to edit, just click on it. Look, if you click on it, you can see it edited. Let me just try to do something right now. If I type right now, you see it already changes. So let me leave that part off. So in this case, I said get your movie script, screenplay, or short film. That's what I have in my Fiverr account. Look at it. Write your movie script, screenplay, or short film. So I'm going to advertise get it because I want to provide it for them. So I'm encouraging you to come and get it from me. So when you go to that place, you can just edit it the way you want it to be. Maybe it depends on your gig too. Maybe your gig is talking about something else. Can you put your gig title and make it a little bit readable? So when they come, they see it making sense. Then anything you don't want in this place, can always delete them up. Like if you see this place right now, this one here is not here right now because I deleted it out. If you want to delete it, just click on it. I'm going to see the delete sign there. Look at it here. See delete. Just when I click on it now, it will be deleted. But right now I don't want to delete it. I want to leave it that way. So anything you don't want to delete all of them out, then you get a full picture of yours. Then next thing you want to do is to click on share. When you click on share, you can go to see the download here. I'm going to click on download. Look, let's see, click on download. You'll see PNG suggested. You click on download again. When you click on download again, you're going to have it here. That's what we have That's what we have here right now. So the next thing we want to do right now is to go to Pinterest right now. That's the website we want to use to promote our gig. Now, if you're here, this is my Pinterest account. Please do want to follow me too if you are not there. Then come on. What we want to do right now, we want to get our hashtags. They are very, very important. Hashtags are very, very important when driving traffic, because Pinterest is just like a search engine. So it is what you give today. That is what they use to help you back to. That is how they will display your content to everybody that is relevant to your content. So it's very good for you that you use hashtags in your Pinterest account. In another video, I'm going to give you a full detailed video on how to get hashtags for free. So do it to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Do it to subscribe to this channel, because I've been dropping back to back on how you can make money online. I can get good organic traffic to your CPALEAD and the likes. So you have not made any mistake if this is the first time of your coming to this channel. So let's get it started. If you're in Pinterest, go to Pinterest and click on this part called business feed. Click on business feed. What do you want to do right now? We want to get hashtags. We want to get hashtags. So when you click on it, it will move you to this place. Then the next thing you want to do is to what? Is to type your gig keyword here. So in this case, my gig keyword is script writing. I already put it here. I can see other search tags here. Look at them here. Look at them here. You can see script writing statistics. You can see script writing prompts, script writing examples, script writing gigs. You can do it to write them down in your notebook, on your notepad. Write all of them down so that you now use them when you're editing your post later. Now that we have our tags, we have our image. The next thing is to what? Is to post or promote. Now we'll go to Pinterest again and come to this place that says create. Click on create, then create pin. Create pin. Then it will load up. Now we are here. We are here. So it says drag and drop or clicks to upload images. Look at the images here. Look at the image here. The image we downloaded from this Canva the other time. This image. Look at it here. Look at it here. So what we do, just come here and drag. Look at it. So beautiful. So nice. Let me scroll down. You can see. Very fine. So the next thing you want to do right now is to put your title. Put your title. You can see go back to your Fiverr gig again and get that title written out properly. Let me just copy. Let me copy and go back there. Can you see this? I paste Ctrl V. So in this case now, I will now write get your movie screenplay, or I have Grammarly installed my PC, so it's really helping me in my editing jobs or my writing work. So do it to install that Grammarly extension on your PC for you to get minimal errors when you are writing. So we have this right now. It says get your movie script, screenplay, or short film now. Can you say now? Let's say we want to put a call to action. The next thing we want to do is to maybe just copy this stuff again, copy the same thing again, and paste it in your description. Paste it in your description. If you have that to write, you can just write more there. The next one to do is to fix in your hashtags right now. Just go to your. Alright, it's supposed to prompt for more hashtags, but it's not prompted. So because you already know what to fix here as hashtags from what we did the other time from this place called this our how do we call it, our home feed. We already search hashtags here, and before now I asked you to get them written down in your notepad. So when you come to this spot right now, just begin to fix them one by one. So let me start from mine because I already have them written somewhere here. So the first one was hash script writing. Put space, enter hash again. Hash. Please, you want to make sure that you are going to fix in the relevant keywords so that you don't go for keyword stuffing. Go for the relevant keywords and try to fix in maybe 3 to 5 or 10 keywords or hashtags so that it makes more sense. We're writing script writing now. Script writing ideas. Then another one again, I want to put about 3. We have script writing tips. Script writing tips. Let me try more. I have another keyword there that talks about script writing prompts. Script writing prompts. You get that? Let's put one more. Put space, then put your hash. Then let's say script writing format. Writing format. You see that? So we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 5 of them right now. This is very important. I will remind you again. This is very important because this will help Pinterest to push this your post to relevant guys, audience that needs to know about script writing. So when you are writing your post, try to make sure that you add your hashtags to them. It's very, very important. Very, very important. I must say again, it really helps the search engine to get your post exposed to other people, so that when they come and see your link, when they come and see your post, they will click on it and drive them to your Fiverr gig. Then you start having organic traffic, which will really make even Fiverr to rank you higher, and you start making money from Fiverr. The next one to do right now is to put our link, and don't forget we said we are going to shorten our link the other time. So go to bit.ly.com again, then get the link. Look at the link here. Just click on copy. Click on copy. We did it because we wanted to track the progress of this click. So come here and click add the link there too. Yes, we already fixed it there. Then the next one to do, want to create a board. If you see this board, I already have one here that talks about make money. So now I want to see if I have a script board there. I don't think I have anyone there. So let's create one. I'll now say script writing. Script writing. This is another way for Pinterest to expose your account or to your post to several people who want to know about script writing. So click on create. Click on create. Then you see it written here right now. So the next thing you want to do is to publish. Let's wait for it to load. It's going. So that as it loads, please do well to make sure that you make use of this website called Canva. Canva is a very good website that you don't want to joke with. Try to make sure you use it very well so that it gets you stronger when you are editing your images. So I guess we already, yes, it's created. So you created a pin. Promote your pin to reach more people. Yes, they're asking to promote a pin because, in case I forgot, it is very good that you use a business account when you're using your Pinterest. Create a business account. Don't create a personal account. So that when you create a business account, you can track the progress of your pins too. Please, it's very, very important. So now, what you don't want to promote, you just want to see your pin. Click on see your pin. Now you can see our pin. So beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. Now we are here. Now because I'm using a business account, you can see I'm having 0 impressions, 0 saves, 0 advanced clicks because it is a business account. So with this one, you can really track the progress of your pins. You can see, let's scroll down. You can see, so fine, so beautiful. You see. So that's how you see. So this is how you can get organic traffic free of charge to your Twitter, So this is how you get organic traffic from Pinterest to your Fiverr account, and this will really help your Fiverr gig to grow. And if you are lucky, it can get to the first page because you'll be having so much impression from this site called Pinterest because they are really having so much traffic from over the world, and most of them are from even the United States of America. So you really have a good need or a good reason why you need to use this channel. Please, if I forget, do it to subscribe to my channel if I've made sense to you. Do it to subscribe to my channel and click on the like button. You can make comments in case you want me to improve on anything, or you want me to get you a new way to make money from the internet. Thanks for watching.